Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Java in Win 10 operating system. Also I will show you how to set Java home environment variable, which might be necessary if you want to use some of the Java based tool or Java based software. Before start installing Java on your system, you might be interested to check whether Java is already installed on your system or not. You can check from command line whether Java is already installed on your system. For that, type cmd or command on the search bar of your Win 10 operating system. It will open command prompt. Here you can type Java and press enter. If you see a message like this, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means Java is not installed on your system. You can also type Java C and press enter. You should get a similar message like above saying Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now I will proceed installing Java on this system. For that, you need to open any of your favorite browser and search for JDK download. You should possibly get a search result similar to this. You need to select this one. Don't worry about your search results. I have posted the link in the description of this video. You can copy the link to reach to this download page. Here you will find different versions of Java which can be downloaded like Java AC16, Java AC11 LTS. LTS stands for long-term support. This is long-term support version of Java. Java AC8. Also there are many more options to download, but we will use the latest version of Java, that is Java AC16. And we will be installing JDK, which is Java Development Kit. Once you click on JDK download, it will take you to the download page for the specific version, which is Java AC16 in our case. Here you will see some notices or note about license update. If you scroll down a bit, you will find Java AC Development Kit 16.0.1 download options or download packages. You need to choose the download package which is applicable for your operating system. Since I will install it on Win 10 system, I will choose Windows x64 installer, for which the file I need to download is jdk_16-windows-x64_bin.exe. There is another file available to download for Win 10 which is in zip format, but we will not use that at this time. So I click on the exe link to download. Once I click it, it will pop up with a dialog saying you must accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java AC to download this software. And here is a checkbox that says I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java AC. I click check and then click on the download. Then a pop-up will appear asking you to save the file to local drive. I say save file. Then the download starts. It will take a while to download the file to my local system. Once it downloaded, click the exe file and minimize or close all other windows. Here it says, do you want to allow the app to make changes on your device? I will say yes. Now you will see this initial setup window. You need to proceed by clicking next here. Now on the next window, this will be your default installation location for Java JDK. You can change this location to any other location on your hard disk where you wish to install. But I have no reason to change this, so I am keeping this to this default location. So I click next. Now it's going to copy all the necessary files. Once done, you will be able to see this message which says Java Development Kit 16.0.1 64-bit successfully installed. So I am just going to close this window. Now I will go to the location where Java JDK is installed. It's on my computer. So I'll go to this PC, C drive, and then program files directory. Here you will see the Java directory, and inside this Java folder or directory you will be able to see the JDK version you have installed. I have installed the Java JDK 16.0.1. I'll click on this. The important folder here is the bin directory where all the Java related files are present. For example, javac.exe will be here, and Java related executables are present inside this bin folder. Our next step is to set this bin folder as our environment variable so that we can run all Java related commands from the command prompt. So copy the path up to the bin folder of the Java JDK, then go to your Windows icon and then click on the settings here, then click on the system. Here you can search for environment variables. You can just type env, that will give you suggested items, and you need to choose edit the system environment variables option. This is going to open system properties window where you need to select advanced tab. I see it automatically opened on advanced tab. In case it does not open advanced tab for you automatically, select advanced and then click on the environment variables. Here you need to set environment variable related to Java. For that, select the path environment variable and click edit, and I need to add a new path for Java JDK executables, that is the bin folder path which I have already copied. So I paste it here at the end, which is C program files Java JDK 16 bin. Then I am going to press enter and click OK. And this environment variable is set now. Also, if you want to do development activities with Java, you need to set Java Home, which is required by many Java related tools. To set the Java Home environment variable, you need to click on the new button. Here you put Java_home as variable name. All must be in capital letter. Please notice that. The value for the variable is the path of the JDK folder. You don't need to go inside the bin folder, you just need this folder path up to the JDK. I am going to copy this path and then paste it here as the value for Java Home environment variable. So C program files Java JDK 16 is the Java Home in my case. Now I'll click OK here, and you see this Java Home environment variable is set now. So I'll click on OK here to close this window, OK to close this window, and we'll close all the open windows. Now I will again open command prompt to verify the Java installation. If you have any command prompt previously opened, need to close them. Just close all the command prompt which are opened before Java installation. Now open a new command prompt. Just type command prompt or CMD on search bar and open your command prompt here, and then I am going to check Java related commands one by one. just type Java and enter. It will now show up all the Java options or arguments. Then I am going to type Java minus version. It will show up Java version which I have installed. I have installed Java version 16.0.1. That's why you can see here the same version. Also you can see that with Java JDK installation, Java runtime environment, which is JRE, is automatically installed with the same version, so you don't need to install Java JRE separately. Now I am going to check Java C version, so I type Java C -version and enter. It will give you the Java C version, which is the same as Java version. Java C is a command line tool by which you can compile Java files, so it might be necessary if you do some development activities. One more command you can try here to check your Java home environment variable. For that, type echo %java _ home %. This is the environment variable we set. Okay, so echo %java _ home %. Okay, and enter. It's going to give you the path which we set in the Java home environment variable. C program files, Java, JDK up to JDK. So all the things are working fine. Now you are ready to work with Java and Java related programs on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next video.